Hi guys, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I stamp negative spaces. So normally we're used to stamp the outline of an image, but in this case, I'm going to be stamping the content. It could be the content inside or it could be outside, but today I'm going to be using only the inside and testing different polishes for stamping and regular ones. So I recommend you use a soft stamper. This has been working for me so far. And a rigid scraper, that means type of a card, so it's not that flexible. So the first test is going to be these hearts here. They're very small and sometimes it's hard to pick them up. So this is going to be a demonstration in real time. What I do is cover the whole image, wait around 8 seconds before I scrape. So this is going to give enough time for the polish to cover the whole image. Then I only scrape once, and then I stamp it with the rolling motion. So of course this is gonna be depending on your experience. In my opinion, if you are a beginner or if you are having trouble picking up your designs, I think this is a really good technique. Some people will do it faster, or some people will do it several times until they get it correctly. Honestly, I think if you do it well in your first try, it's gonna be worth it, because you're not gonna waste as much polish, and I think at the end it's less frustrating. Then I'm gonna be stamping these clouds. So this image is a little bit bigger than the other one, and I'm gonna start with a stamping polish. I'm gonna be very careful and very slowly just put a lot of polish to cover the whole image, and this is the result. So I'm following the same technique in all of this test. This is the first try that I got with every design, so it doesn't matter which polish you use, which plate you use, which design you use, because it's gonna work every time. Then I'm gonna be doing this French twist. The good thing about stamping polishes is that the image will be more opaque, like in this case, instead of regular nail polish. This is like a jelly consistency a little bit, so you're gonna see on the stamper that the image got a little bit thinner. So over a white background it will look good, but maybe if you use another color it's not gonna be as opaque. And finally I'm gonna do the small leaf. Just take your time. If you're slow when you're stamper, I think this technique will be so suitable for you. We're just gonna try with a regular nail polish here, and you can see that it's a little bit thinner, but it's possible. So this was my first try with all these images. So if you really want to save time at the end, I think this is a really good technique. Of course, it's not the only one, so you can just try and see what works best for you. This is the way that I discovered it works for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!